Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBlood Solutions. Remy wanted me to update you guys on the overall market. Why is the market going up today, and what should you be preparing for? I really hope that today's video gets you one step closer to your overall goal, and if it does, please, if you feel like we earned it, I hope that we earned your thumbs up. Snapchat is rising today. Snapchat is one of the main reasons after dropping over 42 or 43% yesterday, causing overall markets to drop. Snapchat is up 11% today. We talked about this during our live trading session today. It was bullish. It's making higher highs. It's validating the EMA line as of now. Therefore, Snapchat gave the rest of the market permission to rise as well. We got TQQQ up barely 2% on the day. Tesla's in the green, 3.2% on the day. I just thought she threw up on me. But why are stocks rising? First off, this is just an update for you guys. I know that you guys like it when I keep it short and sweet. Today at 12:15 p.m., this is Eastern time, we have Governor speaking. And again, if you guys want to watch the live stream, what I'm going to do is the first link in the description. I'm going to link the federalreserve.gov website so you can watch the live stream. I'm not going to live stream at 12:15 p.m. Eastern time, but this is something that they didn't highlight as much, but there's an FOMC minutes meeting, and this is talking about the interest rate that they were to set earlier this month of May 3rd and May 4th. With that being said, again, I double checked, and it is going to be released today at 2 p.m. Eastern time. This is what you want to begin to prepare for and how it will affect the overall market. You guys, please do your own due diligence. You guys can look into this FOMC meeting that is going to be pretty much just shared today. So this will most likely affect the overall market, and just based off of how things have been going, watch your position size, right? Like, this is not a time to be super confident. This is not a time that you want to put yourself in an uncomfortable position. If you can't tolerate a red day, then maybe staying cash is going to be in your best interest. For a lot of our long-term investors, today is going to be an interesting day, and I would consider going live during that meeting, or at least after that report is released, because I know that the market will react to it, and that would be more of value to myself as an investor and as a trader. So if you guys want me to host that live stream, all I literally ask you to do, if you don't do it for me, do it for Remy. Smash that like button. If this video gets over 1,000 likes by 2 p.m. Eastern time, then I would be more than happy to host that live stream. I just want to make sure enough people show up. So again, friendly reminder, everything's going to be linked in the description. First link down below will be this Federal Reserve website. If you guys want to join my free Discord, especially if you're trying to connect with like-minded individuals, that's that second link down below. And if you want to be able to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, then click that third link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. I hope to see you guys in today's live session. Bless you, Remy. It looks like she sneezes in every single video. Hope that we earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.